Some, oh, there's a swallow's nest up there, barn swallow it looks like. There's a big baby in there. I just love this old stuff, don't you? This is Amy and I back in 1869. Just kidding. Run. Just having a little fun. Alright, so we're at this building labeled number 6, and this is who?
James S. and Martha Cain, married in Carson City, Nevada, September 17, 1879. James Cain arrived in Bodie at age 25 in 1879. He had just married Martha Delilah Wells of Genoa, Nevada. Cain entered the lumber business and put barges and steamships on Mono Lake to transport wood. In 1888, he became a banker and kept the Bodie Bank open until 1932.
So this would be where they're supposed to take care of tackle and your carriage and horses, wagons and stuff. Look at that beauty.
This is building 8. It's the mortuary, and this is the back half of the house. So what I figured out, this is split in half, and this side here has all these chairs and caskets in it, and this side has like a little baby casket. This has like an adult casket in it, and it's like props. In between is a wall with a clear framed piece of glass.
For viewing?
I'm thinking this side was where they chose their casket, where they sat, all those chairs, and then they probably looked at their loved one through this window. Either where they had to identify them or just their last viewing of them, kind of thing.
Okay.
This I can't figure out. I'm thinking this might be refrigeration. I don't know why
where they keep the ice and stuff.
The bodies, until we could do anything with them.
Yeah. Maybe even just storage too.
Yes, if you look at, see the chairs, the caskets that you get to choose and stuff, and then here's that plain glass window looking in the other room where you could view your loved one. I'm telling you. You see all the wallpaper in here to make it all pretty, make you feel at home.
Well, thanks for telling us about the morgue here.
It's so sad.
So here's the front of the morgue on the street, and they have a little boardwalk and stuff here. So this is probably it looks like the main road coming in, where they would come into town with the wagons and everything, and so down some of the main streets.
This is Green Street.
The brick building you're standing in front of?
This is the Deschambault Hotel. The post office moved here in 1879. Notice the large cabinet with slots for mail. The upstairs served as Grandma Johnson's rooming house. Later, the building became the Deschambault hotel. In Bodie's final years as a town, it was a bar and cafe.
It's like one of the stable houses or the carriage houses. Looks like a sled. There's a little look on the inside. See some chalkboards and the old school desks. The old globe here. Apologize, they should open these up more, you know, to be able to look inside. It's really hard, especially when they don't clean the windows at all. I was really bummed. We wanted to see the mines and the mine buildings, but due to the pandemic, it was no tours were available. But you can look in the description down below and normally get a tour of the building. Next time, we're definitely going to do that.
I kid you not. It says boards 44, so I mean they don't know who's in here, I don't think. But look there's a flippin' bone in there, and that's little. There's my hand, you can kind of see. It's a little bone, a baby bone. It's so sad, you guys. A little teeny bone. Aww, that was a little kid. It's so awful. Annie, I wonder if they did that so you could see your house. Is your house over there? Can I see it from here? Let me see. Okay, let's see. It had the porch on it. It was out here further. Yes, I think that's our house right there. All these people, they don't know who they are, and they're tiny. A lot of them are children. A lot of them are just babies. Do anything to try to find it. Look, there's that gravestone. Oh, it's got the name though. Vance.
Everyone,
Your head's cut off.
we just wanted to thank you for coming to Bodie with us. Hope you really enjoyed the video. We really enjoyed visiting the ghost town, and it was a lot to see, and we tried to capture everything that we could. So if you are a subscriber to MaxproductionsTV, we really appreciate it. Thank you very much. And if you're not, please do. Thank you for coming along. Take care, guys. See you in the next video.